We read that when Simon Peter saw this, he fell at Jesus' knees and said, "Go away from me, Lord, I am a sinful man." For he and all his companions were astonished at the catch of fish that they had taken. And so were James and John, the son of Zebedee, Simon's partners. And when Jesus said to Simon, "Don't be afraid, from now on you will fish for people." So they pulled their boats up from the shore, they left everything and followed him. I believe that Simon Peter didn't think he was good enough. He didn't make the cut, right, to follow this rabbi in the past. And maybe he's thinking in his mind, you realize I'm a fisherman, let alone a sinner? I can just see Jesus being like, oh, you're a sinner? I've never met one of those before. You see, Jesus used Peter because Simon Peter knew that he needed Jesus. It wasn't the other way around. Did Jesus need the boat? No. He could have walked out on the water himself. But Jesus was aware of a moment that he had to make a connection with someone. Jesus chose Peter to follow him, to be connected. Jesus, he was creating a true connection that would ultimately lead to life change. And you know what's so cool about that? Is that it didn't stop with Peter. It continues with you and I as well. Jesus, he chooses us to follow him, to be connected, to fish for people by connecting with them, by creating fishers of men, by creating true connections that lead to real life transformation, by connecting the unconnected.